So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that in figure there are two semicircles, like you can see A, O and P, this is one semicircle, and like O, B and Q, this is another semicircle. So there are two semicircles, and in the problem it is given that AO is equal to 4 centimeters. So this is equal to the 4 centimeter, and BO is equal to the 8 centimeters. So this whole length is equal to the 8 centimeter, and PQ is tangent to the both the circles. So this line PQ, you can see this is tangent to this semicircle also and this semicircle also. So there is this blue region. So we have to find out the area of this blue region. So first you try to solve this problem. So then see the solution. So let's start. So you see this figure. So in this figure, this S is the center of this semicircle and R is the center of this semicircle. So if you draw perpendicular to this tangent PQ, so this is 90-degree angle and this is also 90-degree angle, and these lines are parallel. We can say this PS is parallel to the QR. This is the same tangent on which we are drawing these two perpendicular lines. So these two lines are parallel. Now you can say from seeing this figure, like this blue area, we have to find this blue area. So we can say that the PQRS, this area minus this red region area minus this yellow region area, this is equal to the blue region area. We can say this. So area of the PQRS minus area of the red and minus area of the yellow region is equal to the area of the blue region. So now you see this figure. So this is the center and this is the tangent, and if we draw perpendicular, so this is equal to the radius, and this is given in the problem as 2 centimeter. So like in the problem it is given that AO length is 4 centimeter. So if this is the center, so this whole thing is equal to the 2R, 2 times radius. So from here the radius is coming 2 centimeter, and from center to any point on the circle, this distance is equal to the radius, which is equal to the 2 centimeter. And similar, BO is 8 centimeter, so the radius of this semicircle is 4 centimeter. So from center of this to this semicircle, this whole length is 4 centimeter. So this whole length is 4 centimeter, and now this SR line, you draw some similar line, means parallel line to this SR line. So this line, so we know that this line is parallel to this line, and this SR line is parallel to this PM line. So if this distance is 2 centimeter, this distance is also 2 centimeter, and this SR distance is 2 here and 4 here. So SR distance is 6 centimeter. So this PN distance is also 6 centimeter. So this distance from here to here is also 6 centimeter. So we know this thing. This SR is equal to the 6 centimeter, and this PM is also the 6 centimeter. And now this is 90-degree, this is 2 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. So let's say this is angle theta. So we know that the sine theta is equal to, in this triangle PQM, you see sine theta is equal to the 2 centimeter divided by 6 centimeter. So initially I tell you this is 2 centimeter, and this line is parallel to this, so this is also 2 centimeter, and we know this whole thing is 4 centimeter. So the remaining this thing is 2 centimeter, and sine theta is this 2 centimeter divided by this 6 centimeter. So theta is sine inverse of 1 by 3. So if you calculate this angle will come like 19.471. You calculate this from the with the help of calculator. So this angle will come like 19.471. Now we know this is 19.4 471, and this whole angle is 90 degree, we know. So this whole angle is also 90 degree, and if this angle is 19.471, so this angle is 1990 minus 19.471, so this will come like 70 to 70.529. So this angle will come like 70.529, and this line is parallel to this SR line. So this angle and this angle both are same. So this angle is also 70.529, and we know this whole angle is 180. So this remaining angle, like this angle is 180 minus 70.529, which is equal to 109.471. So this angle is come like 109.471, and this angle is 19.479. So we calculated these angles, and this angle we calculated like 70.529, and this line QR is parallel to the PS. If this angle is 72.579, then this angle is also 70.529. If this angle is 70.529, so this line is parallel to this line, so this angle is also 70.529. So now this is this, and this is 70.529. This is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, and this is the radius of the this circle, which is 4 centimeter. So now we calculate other parameters. Like here you can apply, you know, this whole thing is 6 centimeter because this is parallel to the SR. So SR is 6 centimeter, so this is also 6 centimeter, because these two lines are also parallel. So you can take the triangle PQM and apply Pythagoras theorem. So you can write PQ square is equal to PM square minus QM square. So PM we know this is 6 square minus 2 square. So this will come like 32. So PQ will come like 4 root 2. So this distance is come like 4 root 2. And now we calculated this distance also. So this distance is 4 root 2. Now you see this PQRS is a trapezoid. So this PQ is this base, and there are like these two lines, and this one line which is joining these two. So this is S and this is R. So what is the area of the trapezoid? It is half of PS plus QR multiplied by PQ. It is equal to this. We know that. So half of what is the PS? PS we know this is 2. What is this QR? This is we know 4. And what is this PQ? This is 4 root 2. So here it is plus sign. So here it is plus sign, and this is 4 root 2. So you calculate this. So this will come like 12 root 2. So this trapezium area is 12 root 2. So this PQRS, this trapezium area is 12 root 2. Now, initially we say that this blue region area, like here this blue region area is PQRS minus red minus yellow. So we calculate the PQRS area. It is like 12 root 2. So what is this red area and what is this yellow area? So this is the arc of the circle. Now we know this angle we calculated like 70.529, and this angle we calculated it is 109.471. So we know that the yellow area will come like this 70.529 divided by 360 multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi times r square, radius of this semicircle, this bigger semicircle is 4. So pi times 4 square. So this area will come like this. So this will come like 9.848. You calculate this, and the rad area will come like 109.471 divided by 360 and multiply by pi multiply by radius of this circle square. So this is the total 360 degree. This is the total 360 degree full circle area, in which we want to find only this rad part. So how we will do this? We calculated the this whole area divided by 360 and multiply by 109.471. So you calculate this rad part will come like 3.821. So now we have all these three parts. Like the PQRS is 12 root 2, the rad part. So the rad part is 3.821, and the yellow part is 9.848. So the blue part will come like 12 root 2 minus this red part and minus this yellow part. So this is the final answer. So if you calculate this will come like 3.301 centimeter square. So in this way we can solve this problem. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video.